customer of mine, actually a friend of mine that's a plumber. And he's got a Riello. He's got an oil-fired boiler with a Riello burner in there. I've been there a few times. And says he's got oil flow, but the thing fires and shuts right off. Fires up and shuts right off, so. I'm gonna go over there. He called me Sunday. It's Monday morning. I'm gonna go over there and see if I can figure out what's going on with it. Maybe he's got a bad CAD cell or solenoid valve's bad on the pump. Or he said he took the pump apart and checked the screen. We'll check oil flow, we'll change the nozzle, and we'll see if it fires. If not, we'll get into it deeper. I got all the parts for the Riello for the most part in the truck, so should be able to get it going. Sounds to me like it might either a bad nozzle, or maybe the CAD cell's bad. Could be the control. I mean, it's hard to say. We're gonna go over there and do what we gotta do to get it going for him. It's pretty nice out. Probably 60 degrees out this morning. Nice. I'm gonna start doing some AC jobs. I got quite a few lined up here I gotta go start doing, so. I like to do them on a warmer day, but I mean, it's warm enough now to get started on them. 65, 70 degrees. I mean, get going on them. Before the big rush hits, as soon as it's one hot day, everybody's gonna be calling you. He's got oil in the tank there. This is open. This is all open. I got it off there. New nozzle. Well, it hasn't been that long. 6 months. Shut the power back off. So don't look dirty. Let's pull the nozzle out, see what the nozzle looks like. Hello, can I help you?
Hi, yeah, I'm going to see if you could possibly give me a quote on some plumbing repairs I need to have done.
What do you need done, ma'am?
Okay, well, this weekend we discovered that in the kitchen drain, it seems there's something blocked down there, and it's coming out onto the kitchen, the cellar floor.
Something like that's done all time and material.
It's what?
Something like that's done time and material. I don't even know what the issue is until I start getting into it, you know?
Yeah, so could you possibly come and give me a quote? Or
no, I don't. No, the stuff like that's done time and material. Because I got a 1 hour minimum anyway, so most people want free estimates.
Okay, so you won't do it for me?
No, I don't do free estimates.
Oh, okay.
Good luck.
Never mind.
Yep. You want me to work for free? I don't work for free, lady. I don't work for free. Well, thanks. Oh yeah, see the carbon on the head? Might just need a nozzle. There's a little bit of carbon on there. I'll put a new nozzle and see what happens. See if it fires. Lady wants a free quote, wants you to go by there and just give her a yeah, look at that. That something's not right there. See that? Something looks funky there. Bargain shopper, once you go give her a quote, I'm all set, man. All set. Riello takes a 60. Clean the head, try a new nozzle in there and see what we get for oil flow and see if it fires. And if it don't, we'll get into it deeper. Power's off. I'll jump out 5 and 6 just to get it to run. When it calls, just the motor will run. We'll see what we'll get for oil flow. Let's see what we get for oil flow. That's fine. Again, good oil flow. Power's off. Put the control back on and see if we get fires. We'll have to put a bit of carbon on that head. Fire it up. Might have just been a dirty, bad nozzle spray and queer, you know. Keep it simple, stupid. Keep it simple.